In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split PDF pages into separate files in mobile iPhone. Let's begin. So I'm going to show you the PDF that I want to split because it has multiple pages. So here it is at the top right, combined PDF. And as you can see here, there is PDF1, PDF2, and PDF3. What you need to do now is head over to your web browser and type in I love PDF. So select the first option where it says I love PDF. So there are a bunch of things that you can do with your PDF, such as compress PDF, PDF to Word, but what we're looking for is something called split PDF. That's going to be the second option, and then it's going to ask you to drop or simply select your PDF file. So I'm going to select it, and it's going to show you the range. So head over to the settings cog in the top right. So then we have different options, either to use range, pages, or size. If we head over to range, there's going to be the section where it says from page to. So 2 is basically the last page of the document, and then from page is going to be the first page of the document. Now we want to save the last 2 pages instead of the first one, and we want to split the last 2. So instead of number 1, I'm going to change it to number 2. And in the 2 section, I'm going to leave it as 3. Once you're done, select Split PDF at the bottom right. Select Save and then choose Files. Then we're going to open it. And as you can see here, PDF2 and PDF3 have been saved. So we split the last 2 pages of the PDF file. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.